battery died as soon as I started getting this 5mm Allen out that sits inside of here. So it has to go through here and then actually goes inside of this gear here and then threads in. And what that is, I guess, is just like a securing screw. And this is our M24 thread puller attachment that we're going to thread in here, so that way we can actually slide out this big guide slash bearing for this piece here. Thread our puller on, and obviously when we're sliding the slide hammer back and forth, we got to be aware and be careful of the radiator right here, because it is directly behind where you'll be sliding these out, and they can go from not doing anything to coming out real fast. And that is it. Now we're just gonna slide it out, and that one actually popped right out of there incredibly easy. So here is our piece that we were pulling out here, and this cam gear is sitting on here, and this acts as the bearing for it. So now let's get these two guide pins out. Going to thread this M6 in to the actual timing chain guide pin, and same thing with the that gear up there, is you kind of want to thread these in until they bottom out. Just want to make sure that they actually get threaded in. I'm sure my hand is blocking this, but all I am doing again is threading this slide hammer back on here, and again I have to be wary of the radiator. And there we go. There is one pin out. What I did when I stepped away for a second there was just right, left for driver's side, and then IN for the intake side. So that was the intake side of the timing chain guide pin that I had just removed. Same thing, and be careful. Got everything bottomed out. And this one is being incredibly difficult to get off here. It'll come out now. So we're just gonna slowly go now. But I am gonna pick this back up a little bit just so it doesn't come crashing down. And there we are. Okay. I'm gonna just ever so slightly support the gear while pulling this pin out, and then let the gear kind of slide down and do its thing. Right into the pin like so. And then the pin actually slides into the timing cover, which then, in turn slides into that timing chain guide right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and get these head bolts broken free. I'm gonna check on the back of the cylinder head, anything that may be obstructing me and preventing me from getting that off easily without breaking anything. So I'm gonna get back on that right now. this is why I went ahead and ordered all new exhaust manifold studs and nuts. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 of the studs that actually came out with the nuts themselves. So I am going to thread a nut on here, right here, and then put another on so that way I can back this actual stud off itself. Here are the exhaust manifold gaskets, the old ones obviously. They're a multi-layer kind of metal gasket just like the head gaskets are. And then our exhaust manifolds, pretty cool thing is they actually, you know, everything on this vehicle has AMG stamped on it. It's pretty neat, you know, seeing this in person, taking it all apart. Cylinder heads, you know, say AMG on them as well. It's just literally like every single thing. There's like all these little hidden Easter eggs, you know, left and right on this. It's kind of cool. It's been a fun experience so far, so I can't wait, you know, to continue. And again, thank you everybody for watching.